guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's Momomakeup here. Today I am unboxing the July 2018 Boxycharm. For those of you who do not know, Boxycharm is a monthly beauty subscription box that costs $21 per month, is shipped straight to your door, and you will receive 4 to 5 full-size beauty items in your box. I absolutely am obsessed with Boxycharm. I look forward to getting it every month, and this month was a little different for me. I wasn't too thrilled when I opened my box and saw the variation that I got. So if you're interested to see how I feel in the end after playing around with these products, then please keep on watching. Let's get into it. Okay guys, so I got box variation number 1. I got 5 products in my box. So we're gonna go through and I'm gonna share with you what each one of them is. So the first product I want to show you guys is from Note Beauty. This is their Luminous Silk Compact Blusher. Retails for $11.99. So let's see. Comes in a little compact. You get 0.19 ounces of product. Mine came in the shade Desert Rose. When you open up the compact, it looks like this with the, I don't know if you can see it, it has the Note, N-O-T-E, little imprint. And then when you open it up one layer more, there is a little brush that comes with. But I won't be using that because, I mean, it's a pretty cheap little brush. I just don't see it working out very well. I'm gonna try this out with my Morphe M104 brush. I'm just gonna tap lightly. It's pretty well pigmented. And I'm gonna use this little mirror that comes in the compact. Guys, I got sunburnt, so that's why my chest is so red. And let's see, I'm gonna do one more pass. It's a pretty color. It blends well into the skin. So hard to work with this tiny ass mirror though, if I do say so myself. You could actually carry this in your purse as a compact. Like, it's really petite and not for nothing. If you don't like the blush, you can always carry it around in your purse and use it just for the mirror purposes. The next product that came inside my box is from the brand called Chela. It is their Tantalizing Taupe Eyebrow Cream. So I don't know if you saw my most recent video of products that I'm getting rid of. I did a full face, and actually this was one of the products. So I was hoping that I wasn't gonna get this inside my box, but however I did, so that's fine. I am gonna give it another shot. I feel like the color might be too dark for my eyebrows, but maybe if I apply it a little bit more lightly, I'll get a better result. So it is dual-ended. It comes with the brush on one side, and then the other side has the eyebrow cream inside of it. This eyebrow cream retails for $26. So let's give it a shot here. I'll move up a little bit closer. I'm gonna dip in and get some more product. The color is definitely dark, so I do feel bad for anyone who has blonde eyebrows that got this product. Actually, I don't think this was a variation product. I do believe this came in everyone's box. It blends nicely into the brow, and the nice thing about this is if you have relatively full brows as it is, this does help just to fill them in and give you a more natural brow look. So what do you guys think? I mean, like, I like it, but I'm just not sure if it's something that I would reach for every day, especially considering the fact that I just threw the other one out that I had. But I had that for a long time anyway, so it probably was expired. Alright guys, I'm gonna do the other brow off camera and I'll be right back. Did I enjoy using this product? Yes. Would I buy this with my own money? No. So I am glad that it came inside of my box because it's definitely not an item that I would purchase outside of Boxycharm. The next product that I want to show you guys is from Crown Pro Beauty. It is the Fuego eyeshadow palette. Looks like this. It has a matte black finish to it with the rose gold lettering. And this is what the palette looks like. The shades in this palette are actually beautiful. And the funny thing is, like, when you see this palette online, I know for me personally, it was hard for me to see the variation of colors. I mean, I could definitely tell, obviously, that they're not all 10 of the same shades, but I just felt like it kind of looked like they were 10 of the same shades, to be honest with you. This is a warm tone palette. It retails for $29.99, and I'm going to do a quick little look with this palette. First, I'm gonna take, this is just a blending brush from Sagapo. It's from this brush set that I got off of Amazon. And I'm going to take this color right here, and I'm going to place that into my crease. Next, I'm gonna go in with this very dark brown shade right here, and I'm gonna pack that into the outer corner and deepen up the corner of my eye. Wow, I'm actually surprised that that did not come out a lot darker. Let me go back in. Liking this so far. They're very easy to blend. Now I'm gonna go in with a shimmer shade. Let's see. Okay, this is a shimmer shade, the like light gold, very light, almost like a cream shade. So I am going to pack that now onto my lid. I'm gonna use a dry brush first, and then if I need to wet the brush, I will do that. So the pigment is definitely there, but I do want to wet my brush to intensify it. Just gonna use a little Mario Badescu facial spray. All right, let's see. Okay, so to be honest, I don't really feel like that made much of a difference. I noticed when I sprayed the brush and tried to apply that shade, it almost kind of fell off in chunks. So would I recommend wetting your brush to use that shade, this shade right here? Probably not. That did not go as well as I thought it was going to. You know what, let's try it with the finger. Let's try a finger. Cause like, look at that, guys, it has pigment. A little bit better. I don't know, it's very lackluster to me. The other matte shades that I used worked great, but this was just, I mean, it's pretty, but it's not as blinding as it looks on my finger. Let's swatch all the shades here. The entire palette swatched on my arm. As you can see, the shimmer shades are very reflective. They are beautiful. And the mattes, I had a very easy time swatching. They weren't chalky at all. They were actually very silky. I'm rather impressed with the quality of the mattes in this palette. Let me go ahead and do the other eye off camera, and I will be right back. I would definitely recommend this shade here to highlight your brow bone and also pop on the inner corner. I did that off camera, and I really love the way that it highlighted the brow bone and also my inner corner. And then I went ahead and used this shade right here to smoke out my lower lash line, and I love the way that that turned out. All in all, I would definitely say this is a great palette. It definitely makes me interested in purchasing more products from Crown Beauty, so I'm glad that this came in my box. Originally, I was kind of upset because I wanted the setting spray and the pharmacy mask. However, this palette is really great, guys. I doubted it from the start, but honestly, after playing around with it, I really, really like it. The second to last product is from Wander Beauty. It's the Unlashed Volume and Curl Mascara. It comes in this red tube. I don't own any tube mascaras, so this should be very interesting. This retails for $24. It says it's award winning. Let's see. Comes out. It's so weird that it's in a tube. It weirds me out. And the wand looks like this. So you can see it's curved. The bristles are not rubber or plastic. They're actual bristles. Okay, I'm not sure if you guys can pick this up on camera, but these are my lashes after one coat. What I like about this is it does a really good job of separating the lashes. It did not clump them together at all. I can't stand, as many of you I'm sure feel the same, when a mascara clumps your lashes right off the bat. So let's go in with another coat. The second coat, guys. I really like this mascara. I'm so impressed. I have heard of Wander Beauty before, but I have not tried any of their products yet, so this is a great thing to try. I mean, it looks amazing, and it definitely curled my lashes for sure. I noticed they're sticking straight up versus so they tend to go out, and I forget to curl them and whatever, but no, I really like it. Like, it's so good for separating your lashes. It's crazy. So let me go ahead and apply the other eye, and I will be right back. Alright guys, this is the finished look. You'll have to let me know in the comments below if you like it or not. I do want to mention there is one more product in my box that I have not talked about yet. It is from Dr. Brandt Skincare. It is the No More Baggage Under Eye Deep Puffing Gel. This retails for $42. And to be honest, I was so excited to get this. I'm excited to use it. I did apply it before I laid my foundation and concealer down. I liked the way it felt. It had sort of a cooling, tingling effect. However, I'm kind of disappointed because as you can see, there's no applicator. And I thought a $42 eye gel would have an applicator if it came in a tube. It looks like this. It's like an orange color. I do believe that is to sort of help to color correct. It did feel good when I applied it. It rubs into the skin really easily. I mean, you can see when I rub it in, it does leave an orange cast. That is a good thing though, guys. Orange and red are two colors that if you have dark circle under your eyes, if you apply a color corrector of that color, it will help to cancel out your dark circles. So the only thing that bothered me really was just the fact that it did not come with any type of applicator. So, and like, especially now guys, since I got my nails back, it's so hard for me to like get underneath my eye. So I was kind of bummed about that, but overall, you guys, I really liked my box. I was pleasantly surprised. This was not the variation that I was hoping for initially. However, after using these products, I mean, Boxycharm just kills it every single month. Honestly, like, I don't know why anybody would want any other subscription box. The blush was beautiful, perfect, matched my skin tone perfectly. The mascara was really good. I liked that a lot. So was the eyeshadow palette, and the eyebrow cream actually is something that I might try to incorporate into my everyday routine. We'll see about that because I'm not the biggest fan of it. And the Dr. Brandt product, you really can't go wrong. Dr. Brandt Skincare is a great skincare company, and we've been lucky to get a lot of their products in Boxycharm. So I hope that you guys enjoyed my unboxing slash little look that I did here. And don't forget, you guys, hit the subscribe button, turn the notification bells on, give this video a thumbs up, and leave a comment. Specifically, anybody who's watching this video that got a different variation of this box. I have yet to see anybody get the other variation with the setting spray and the pharmacy color changing mask. You guys have to let me know if you were able to get that other variation. Anyway, you guys, I will see you on the next video. Have a wonderful day or night wherever you are, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.